how to convert Figma design to HTML and CSS. It's a Figma tutorial for beginners. Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to convert the Figma designs to HTML or CSS with a simple and easy tutorial. So as you can see, we are already in figma.com or our own profile. So I will not take much of your time and we'll just dive right in. Let's go. Of course, to do something like this, we obviously need to use certain, plugins. You can use some easy plugins for that. I have two of them for this video, so we're gonna see how both of those work. The first one is Citer.io. Of course, for that, you can either go to the community page, like from here. You can go to the community page in this segment, or if you don't want to waste your time with that one, you can just go on to Google and say Citer.io plugin Figma. If you search it up like that, it should immediately open it up in a web search, and you can find it on the community tab, and then you can say open in any kind of library or any kind of file. This one, of course, is by Citer.io. We will say let's open up in the theme library, and of course when that happens, it will open up our web design like this. We'll say run. We can close this one for now. Of course, for this to work, we have to sign up or log in with Citer.io. It will take us up to their own web page. You can always just log in with your Google account, of course. That doesn't have any problems inside. You can just as you can see. Of course, we have to export. It should be able to normally pick this one up. We can now go back to Figma. And of course, use our Citer.io for this. Of course, as you can see on the left side, there's a plugins button. Like this, manage plugins, run last plugin and everything. Of course, if you have a website, you will not have any problems on this page. When you do that, of course, if you have a website, you will be able to simply use the plugin just like this and just create your own. Of course, I have to create a website. I'm gonna even use and create a website really fast for you guys. I'm gonna create it, and it's a test website. I'm gonna use the blank template or maybe even a custom template. Let's use this one. Let's use any of them so we can see the HTML or CSS code. We'll say continue. And of course, it will take us to the Citer website parts. And from here, after we take everything like this, we will be able to use that to actually just get the HTML code from the website. We'll just go right ahead. As you can see, guys, as the website is translated, you can see the components and you can see the layers. There are multiple layers, but not any components yet, because we have to get them up into the code version and everything. And from here, we'll select any layer like this. As you can see, we'll create a component with this. Will show up in the components. From then, you will be able to use it however you want, of course. From here, as you can see, we already have a test website. Of course, since it's a test website, I don't have any experience with this one. Of course, I can just take it like this, change the anything, any kind of option in it, or just general use of it. Of course, if you don't want to do it like this, if you just don't want to edit it like this, and if you want to edit it as an actual HTML code, I can just show that to you guys in the next scene. Of course, for that reason, we can get a totally new plugin and do totally different stuff, we will just go to Google again, and this time we will search for Visual Copilot Figma plugin, and then we'll get this one. As you can see, guys, this is like on builder.io and everything, like even the same stuff, but not from this website. We will get it on Figma itself. Nope, not this one. Yep, Figma is actually here. Oh, yes. It's the Figma community tag. It should be like in the plugins and everything. And of course, if you come to here, you will be able to find the plugin and everything. We just need the, of course, Figma plugin for that. If we just go on and explore the page, as you can see, there are like multiple AI chat writers and everything. And I actually have it on my page like this. As you can see, this is the one you should get. It's the builder.io AI-powered Figma to Code plugin. We will say open in the theme library. And now then it will connect to itself as well. Of course, it also runs in design mode. We can change and say get dev mode, but of course we have to get a plan for that. Then we will say dev mode. And in the page, as you can see, guys, you can just use the app to get, of course, your own code stuff with this. And of course, from here, it even gives you different imports, different documents. And of course, you can use that to get any kind of option for that. Of course, with this video, I will be showing it to you myself. But of course, if you don't want to do that, you can even always see the code itself. We are in the dev mode right now. We can easily switch back to this mode. And of course, when we are here, as you can see, dev mode and not dev mode is really different. And if in this here, we will go here, go to plugins. And of course, if we go to manage plugins or the builder.io one, we will be able to see this. And of course, now we'll select layers. We don't need that one. We'll select layers to export the code. And after I select that, I can say generate code. It will send me to builder.io page. And then it will give me a code based on this web page that will give a copy of whatever I want. It will as you can see, it gave me the code here. Then I can copy this code however I want, and then just take it and put it to wherever I want. That's generally how that works, and I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to give us a like and maybe even subscribe to our channel. For any other case, I hope to see you guys in the next video as well. Have a great day and goodbye.